ዛሬ እኛ ቤተሰብ ፓንኬክ እንዴት እንደምንገለብጥ እንወዳደራለን ማለት ነው። ፓንኬክ ፍሊፒንግ
Right?
Yeah.
No.
አሁን እጄ ልገለብጠው ነው።
It's my turn, so I'm gonna add. Not gonna add too much. Just.
Good.
That would be a small pancake. Okay, my turn to flip. Oh no, really? Nope. Okay, ready? No, I did that. Oh, I burned. Okay. That goes so down. It's my turn.
Oh.
Yay! It's my turn. I'm not strong.
Okay.
So Leah, use the spatula.
No,
Okay.
I don't want it.
Okay. Good.
I think mine will work. It's gonna be I don't know how to do it. Sorry. I can't do it. I need to do it then.
Okay. Yeah. Try with the one.
No. Catalan.
Try with the one.
I'm gonna try. Oh. That.
You did it.
Comment down below who made the best pancake flip.
እንዳትረሱ ማን ጥሩ ፓንኬክ እንደገለበጠ በኮሜንት አስቀምጡ።
Remember to like, to subscribe, and comment on our video.
If you like our video